Hey guys, in today's video I am going to be showcasing the sound fruit. The first move, Rhapsody Notes, does 2377 damage and can be used 3 times in a row. The second move, Fortissimo, does 3219 damage. The third move, Symphonic Radiance, is a turret-like ability that does 4375 plus damage. The final move, Glorious Harmony, does 6362 plus damage. The flight move is pretty average, but I do like the musical notes. The tempo meter goes up every time you use the fruit moves. Once the bar has reached its max, it will give you and allies a speed and defense buff. It also buffs the sound fruit damage by around 10%. Don't forget to subscribe for more Blox Fruits videos and guides. And let me know what I should showcase next in the comments.